Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another exciting watch unboxing. I apologize for not being able to show the package opening. I forgot to switch on the camera, so let's go directly to unveiling the watch box. As you can see, the box is carefully wrapped in a thick layer of bubble wrap. I'm confident the watch is intact. Let's peel off the paper masking tape and reveal the box inside. Here it is. And this is the watch's model number. Although it's protected by thick bubble wrap, there is still a small dent and tear on the box. Let's open it up. Wow, it seems that the watch is okay. First, let's look at the documentation. The user's guide for module numbers 3239 and 3240, and the warranty card. Next, let's get to the watch, the star of the show. Let's remove the watch from the box. Here we are, the negative display Casio W-800H. Let's remove the watch tag to reveal the full model number. There you are, the full model number is W-800H 1BVDF. These are the main features: a 10-year battery life, 100 m water resistance, world time, and LED light. Next, let's peel off the plastic protective sticker from the dial to get a better look. There you are, the all-black Casio W-800H with a negative display. I would like to emphasize that the negative display is not as bad as it seems in this video. In real life, the display is clear, though not as clear as a normal display. As usual, let's get to the dimensions. The case dimension is 36.8 millimeters. The lug-to-lug distance is 44.2 millimeters. The thickness is about 13.4 millimeters. The lug size is about 18 millimeters. And the weight is about 37 grams. Let's get to the case and dial. On the right, we have dual easy-access stainless steel buttons to control light and the 12/24-hour formats. Let's wipe the watch. It seems to have accumulated dust, possibly from the seller or shop. On the left are another pair of buttons to control mode and adjust. On top of the case is the illuminator imprint, and at the extreme bottom is the water 100 m resist imprint. On top of the display is the Casio logo and 10-year battery imprint. Below that are the SNZ or snooze alarm, the ALM or alarm, and SIG or signal imprints. None of them are activated as the watch has not been set up yet. On the left is the day panel display. Below that are the rather large digits for hour, minute, and second displays. At the extreme bottom of the display panel are the date, month, and year. I apologize for the poor visibility of the display. The discernibility is not as bad in real life. You need better lighting and the perfect angle to get a clearer look at the watch display, and I am lacking all that. Sorry. Apart from the features mentioned above, the watch also boasts other features such as world time, a stopwatch, multifunction alarms, a full auto calendar to the year 2099, and a green LED light. Now, I have already set the time, and the ALM and SIG are now activated. Moving on to the strap, it's the usual standard Casio resin strap, dependable and durable. My next project will be to change the strap to a leather one, preferably black leather to match the case. Amazingly, this strap has the Casio logo on the retainer and buckle. The caseback is stainless steel with all the necessary imprints such as the Casio logo, module, and model number. Let's try this 36.8mm case on my 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad. It fits my wrist amazingly well. I love the negative display because it matches the black case and band. It stands out from the other W-800 models and colors. Here is a side-by-side comparison with another negative display Casio, the smaller W-201. Let's check the LED light on both of these watches. First, the W-800, a clear green LED light, very interesting. Next is the amber LED light on the W-201, with amazingly similar clarity. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Until next time, bye for now.